Is your Canon printer showing the B203 error code? This usually means there's jammed paper inside, but don't worry, it's totally fixable. In this video, I'll walk you through 3 different methods to resolve the B203 error. We'll start by cleaning any stuck paper, then move on to updating your driver, and finally show you how to reset your printer if needed. By the end, your Canon should be back to normal. If you need help along the way, call the numbers on your screen. Let's fix this.
Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date.
Method 1. Remove the jammed paper. First things first, power down your Canon printer by pressing the power button. Now that it's off, disconnect the power cable from the back of your machine. Open up the cover of your printer to get the access to the interior. You'll see a cartridge holder. Gently slide it towards the right side so you have more room to work. Now, carefully pull out any jammed paper you find. Be really gentle here and avoid touching the internal components. You don't want to accidentally damage anything. After you've removed the main piece, do a thorough inspection to hunt for any leftover scraps or fragments stuck inside. It's easy to miss small bits, so you take your time. Don't forget to check the rear paper tray as well. Papers sometimes get stuck back there too. So you make sure you clear that area completely. Go ahead and power your printer back on and see if the error has cleared. If the error still persists, don't worry, you can try the second method. Method 2. Update printer driver. Head to your Windows Start button and search for Device Manager. When the Device Manager pops up in the results, go ahead and click Open to launch it. Look for the small arrow next to the Print Cues option and click it to expand the section. You should now see a list of the connected printer. Find your Canon printer in that list. Right-click on your Canon printer and select Update Driver from that menu appears. A dialog box will show up with options. Click on Search automatically for drivers and let Windows do the heavy lifting. It'll find and install the latest drivers for you. Once the update completes, check your printer to see if the B203 error is gone.
If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.